Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can claim these on Dress to Impress. So it's like the troll commands here. So you can only use it right as of now. You only have a few of these. I don't know why there's 0 of this one. I think you can only get a few. I'm not sure. I think for these ones you do have to purchase it, but there's heart, spotlight, and roses. So you can select it and give it out. It's going to only be here for the first 6 hours after the update. So make sure if you want to try it out for yourself, you can select it. Well, you can do it now, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. So heart, spotlight, explode, poop, roses, and tomatoes. If you do want to purchase it, you're going to go here to poses, click the back icon, and select Runway Effects. Now, oh my gosh, they are a little bit pricey, and you only get 5 of them per the Robux you pay for it. So I don't think it's really worth it. I do understand why they did, why you have to kind of pay for it. So every time you walk a runway, this won't happen all the time. So yeah, these are the new runway effects. I'm not a big fan, if I'm being honest. I think that's one thing I have complained about ever in Dress to Impress. So yeah, please just put out please put out new items and stuff, and we'll be happy. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.